Maybe you're the type to hit 5,000 steps before 8 a.m. Or you rarely miss a week of meal prep. Either way, what do you have that diligently counts your calories or adds up your proteins? Try this, the Eatex City Smart Nutrition Scale. Every measurement reads loud and clear on the LCD screen. Making room for the next weigh-in? Wipe your stainless steel slate clean. It's easy to see why this smart scale has gotten some industry love. Though it's a smart scale, it's totally functional on its own. So go ahead and weigh items, change units, and tear measurements. But when you hook it up to the free VSync app, that's when you get those extra smarts. Cumin, carbs, a handful of kale. Have at it. It's all in the USDA database for over 8,000 items. Set daily nutrition goals, whether you're going for 2,500 calories a day or half of that. Ditch the pen and paper. Let VSync's diary feature track all your eats. From breakfast to lunch to dinner to all the snacks you're honest enough to record. VSync is the genius behind it all. It's completely free and compatible with iOS and Android. Not to mention, it supports many other smart offerings. For example, want detailed measurements for your body too? Step onto an Eatex City Smart Fitness Scale. 13 body calculations give you a comprehensive analysis. It's good for unlimited users, and it works with any Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit tag-alongs as well. So whether it's 10,000 steps, 1,200 calories, or just an extra eye on what you're eating, we know you're in pursuit of the best. We are too. Eatex City, powered by VSync.
Health and well-being is important to our overall sense of happiness, and we know that a diet consisting of fresh ingredients is key. Juicing is the fastest, easiest and tastiest way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake, and is a great way to add a concentration of vitamins and minerals to your diet. But it's about more than just nutrition. Juice is delicious. The Juice Fountain Cold XL from Breville. It's the only juicer in the market that can extract 2 litres of delicious, nutrient-rich juice up to 5 times faster than a cold press. The quiet mode reduces noise by up to 55%, ideal for when you really need to be quiet. We've reoriented the waste bucket, creating a unique space-saving design which is a better fit for every countertop. Our cold spin technology produces less than 2-degree temperature transfer, ensuring optimum nutrition is retained. A handy juice nozzle attachment gives the option of juicing straight into your glass. The seal and store lid allows you to store freshly made juice in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, which means you clean less. Even hard fruits are a breeze, with the commercial quality build and rigorously tested performance you'd expect from Breville. Make juicing easy to fit in better with your busy lifestyle. The Juice Fountain Cold XL. Nutrition made fast, easy and delicious.
The Miracle-Gro AeroGarden Harvest. Grow fresh herbs, vegetables and more year-round. It's easy to set up. Your herbs and vegetables grow naturally in pure water and air, no soil required. You can watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables again and again for months. The AeroGarden Harvest comes with everything you need to start growing. The harvest will grow up to 6 plants at a time. And plants can grow up to 12 inches high with the fully adjustable lamp arm. Just select what you want to grow on the easy-to-use LCD control panel, and the AeroGarden Harvest automatically creates the optimal conditions for your plants. The control panel tells you when to add water, plant food, and automatically turns the lights on and off. The advanced 20-watt LED grow lights deliver optimal light for plant growth and cost just pennies per day to operate. With a beautiful selection of colors and finishes, it will look great on your countertop. Get the AeroGarden Harvest and get growing today.
Meet your new personal sous chef. With extensive versatility, Eatex City's digital kitchen scale will help you simplify the steps you need to take to make your next kitchen masterpiece. This stainless steel scale measures both weight and volume with a capacity of 10 pounds and 2 liters. With the low graduation of a single gram, you have the capability to measure any food or ingredient with accuracy you can depend on. The scale also conveniently measures room temperature for reference when making homemade desserts and pastries, allowing you to make sure your ingredients are in the right environment temperature at all times. It's handy for creating flaky pie dough or when tempering pastry cream. Minimize the clutter on your kitchen countertop with the featured built-in timer. The scale will keep time for as long as 99 minutes for your cooking convenience. The scale also features an auto tare function for easy liquid and ingredient measurement. Accurately calculate weights of any ingredient in a container without having to do the math behind it. To tare weight, simply place the container in which the ingredients will be measured in on the center of the scale platform. Press the tare button and wait for the scale to automatically calibrate to the weight of the container. Once the backlit LCD screen displays 0 at the food or ingredient you wish to measure, the scale will automatically calculate the weight of the food or ingredient without the added weight of the container. To reset, simply press the tare button without placing anything on the measurement platform. Mix, prep, thaw, and wash your ingredients all with a 2.15 liter bowl. Reliable in both design and accuracy, this kitchen scale has the capacity to simplify each step you take in making your kitchen masterpiece. So, what will you create?
This is the Cuisinart vertical waffle maker. One of the things that people have a problem with when they make waffles is overfilling their waffle maker, and this actually solves that problem for you. You notice up here, this is the spout, and this is where we're going to pour the waffle batter in. And what happens is the waffle maker will fill from the bottom up to the top, and you'll get a perfect waffle without any spillover. So it's really great, easy, and simple to use. So you'll notice on the front, it's round. It's a Belgian style waffle. Here is your control knob, and it goes from 1 all the way to 5, and you have 2 lights, a red light and a green light. The red light means that you have power, and when the green light is on, you will actually be ready to what we call bake waffles. And you notice it beep 3 times to let me know that it's ready. I like to do it on setting 4. We have this preheating so that when I go to make the waffles, it's all ready to use. So let me just show you how this works. There's a little, I'm just going to turn this around so you can see it. There's a little lever right here. You just pinch the lever, and that allows you to open the waffle maker, and it lays down flat, and it makes it really easy for you to remove your waffle when it's baked. And to close it, you just close it until it locks into place. So what I'm going to do is turn this back so we can see it better. And I'm going to actually show you what else comes with your waffle maker. This is your waffle batter cup, and this is really important. This is the exact measurement that you need to fill your waffle maker up using the proper amount of batter. The other thing I want to show you is there's a little notch here, so when you're using a batter bowl, you just lay it on the bowl like so, and it keeps it up from your batter, and also if you have any drips or spills, it'll go right back into your batter bowl. So why don't we get started? I'm just going to pour this in. You should use a steady stream to do it. Fill it up. And then what's going to happen is the green light will go off. I'm going to put that back here. And it's going to actually bake. And what will happen is it will actually beep 3 times to let us know that the waffle's ready to remove from your waffle maker. So let's check our waffle. Ooh, look how beautifully done it is. It's exactly the way I like it. I like it to be nice and toasty brown. Now, one thing I just want to mention, you'll notice on the top here, you have a little bit extra. This is because the batter went up into the pour spout. If that bothers you at all you need to do is cut it away and remove it so that your waffle is completely round. If not, you can have a little taste beforehand. I just want to tell you one thing I forgot to mention earlier. The plates are non-stick. Make sure you season them before you use it, because that's really important. That helps so that your waffle comes out really easily. So let's finish up.